Now let us discuss the 77, which will make the buffer solution. Now let us see the definition of buffer solution. Buffer solution is a solution that able to maintain its hydrogen's concentration, pH with only minor changes and dilution or additional small amounts of either acid or base. This means that the resistance to change in pH value either by addition of either by addition of acid or base. This is called the buffer solution. Now let us discuss what do you mean by basic buffer. These basic buffers are used to maintain the basic conditions. Basic buffers can be prepared by mixing of weak base and strong acids. By mixing of weak base and strong acids, we make the basic buffer. This condition is very important. Here acidic buffer which is used to maintain the acidic conditions. Okay. Here basic buffer maintains the basic conditions. Here acidic buffer maintains the acidic conditions. These can be prepared by mixing of weak acids and strong bases. Here this condition is very important. Why? Because the mixing of weak acid and strong base to form acidic buffer. By this concept, you can eliminate the following options. To prepare the basic buffer, the condition is that weak base and strong acid. Let us verify the given options. Here, strong base. So eliminate option 1. Why? Because we required weak base and strong acid. Here, strong base and strong base and weak acid. So option 1 is eliminated. Now let us verify the option 2. Here weak acid and strong base. This option is also eliminated. Why? Because we required weak base and strong acid. Strong acid is present and weak base is also present. Option 3 obeys the basic buffer condition. Okay. Now let us verify the option 4. Here strong acid and strong base. So option 4 is also eliminated. So according to our question, basic buffer, our condition is weak base and strong acid. Here, strong acid is present and weak base is present. This will makes the basic buffer solution. So 3 is our correct answer.